Facilities. My name is Nigel Kutsim and welcome to this video where we will explore the essential systems in all construction, electrical, hydraulic, and sanitary installations. These systems are the basis of comfort and functionality in any building, which is correct installation key which is required for every civil engineer. Let's start with electrical installations, a crucial system that ensures the supply of power to all areas of a building. Electrical planning and design. The planning of an electrical installation begins with a single filament diagram which shows all the electrical circuits, consumption points, and how they are distributed in the building. It is essential to anticipate the electrical demand of each area to avoid overloads. 2. The main components. Distribution board is the heart of the installation. From here, electricity is distributed to different circuits throughout the construction. You have the electrical cables. They vary in thickness depending on the load they must support. For lighting circuits, smaller caliber cables are usually used than for sockets or heavy appliances or sockets and switches. These must be installed in strategic locations, ensuring their easy access and their safe use. The specialized circuits in a building are the electrical systems that are divided into specific circuits for different applications, such as lighting, general sockets, and special equipment such as air conditioning or electric stoves. Each circuit has its own protection on the dashboard, such as thermomagnetic switches or differentials. 4. The security in the installation. Electrical safety is a paramount. All facilities must have a grounding system that dissipates any current leakage, and it is crucial to currently size the conductors and protections to avoid overheating on such circuits. Now let's move on to the hydraulic installation, in charge of distributing drinking water with a building, from its connection to each point of consumption. Number 1. The main components. We have the pipes. There are different types of pipes according to their use. PVC ones are common for cold water, while CPVC or PEX are used for hot water due to their thermal resistance. We have water outlets. These are the points where the supply is connected to the sinks, showers, and other equipment that uses water. Now we have the control valves. These allow you to close or open the flow of water to certain areas of the house in the case of maintenance or repair. The hydraulic system design. And this system is planned so that there is always enough water pressure at all points. For this, pump or tubs are used if the pressure of the public network is not sufficient. Pipes must be well distributed to avoid unnecessary pressure drops. 3. The hot water system. For the supply of hot water, gas, electric, or solar heaters are used. The piping system must clearly differentiate between hot and cold water lines to avoid confusion and ensure the proper functioning of the system. Regulations and good practices. It is important to respect local rules for the installation of hydraulic systems, such as minimum distance between drinking water pipes and drains. Space should also be provided for the terminal expansion of hot water and possible future repairs. The sanitary facility is another key component, and it ensures the safe evacuation of wastewater from a building into the drainage. The main components, the O-drain pipes, or the PVC pipes, are the most common for this type of installation. They must have an adequate diameter and a correct slope design for waste flow to flow by gravity. You have the strainers and the siphons. These devices are placed at strategic points such as bathrooms and kitchens to collect gray and black water. Siphons are essential to prevent bad odors from the drain from returning into the interior of the building. Sanitary ventilation. It is essential to prevent the gases accumulated in the drain pipes from concentrating in the living areas. The ventilation tubes allow gases to rise and release to the outside. The design of the drainage system for proper operation. The pipes must have adequate slope about 1 to 2 centimeters per meter. That allows the constant flow of wastewater, and records and access must be provided for the maintenance of the system in case of obstructions. You have the types of wastewater. Gray water. It is the waste from sinks, showers, and washing machines, which is usually less contaminated. Now we have the black water. They come from toilets and other sanitary equipment. These waters must be handled with greater care due to their high level of pollution. The connection to the public network. Finally, all drain pipes are connected to the public drainage system or to the wastewater treatment plant, and it is important to ensure that these connections are well sealed to avoid leaks or contamination.